So it's pretty Aspo and unlivable, to be totally honest. When we're talking about levels 1, 2 and 3, so there's two channels. There's the loud channel and there's the quiet channel. The level actually describes the volume of the quiet channel. So level 1 means that it's very, very quiet when the valves are closed. When the valves are open, it is, X noise. But that volume there for the loud one is the same on all of them.
Yeah.
So when you have a level 3, the quiet channel and the loud channel are exactly the same at all times. What that means is when you're cruising at like 10 miles an hour, have got full bore sound coming out the back. So it's pretty Aspo and unlivable, to be totally honest.